to engage your audience effectively. Let's begin by visiting kit.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one, but if you're already a member, go ahead and log in. Once inside, you'll notice a dashboard with several options like subscribers, campaigns, and automations. This is your command center where you'll manage all your marketing activities. The first step in building your marketing strategy is to grow your audience. To do this, click on Grow and head over to Forms and Landing Pages. You have a choice here. You can either opt for embedded forms, which you can integrate directly into your website, or choose landing pages that function as standalone pages specifically designed for capturing leads. Take some time to customize the design with your brand colors, logo, and personalized messaging. This is also where you can connect an incentive like a free ebook or a checklist to encourage sign-ups, which can significantly boost your engagement rate. Next, it's crucial to organize your subscribers effectively. Use tags for basic segmentation. Think of categories like leads, customers, or webinar attendees. For more advanced targeting, you can create segments. This lets you identify specific groups of subscribers, like those who clicked a link in a previous email, which ultimately makes your email marketing more personalized and effective. Now, on to sending broadcast emails. Head over to Send and click on Broadcast and then New Broadcast. This is your space to compose engaging email content. Besides adding text, you can also include images and links, and always remember to personalize the emails with subscriber names to make them feel more connected. You can select a specific audience segment for your email and choose to either send it immediately or schedule it for a later time. For ongoing subscriber engagement, you'll want to create automated sequences. Navigate to Send, then Sequences, and select New Sequence. Here, you can craft a series of emails, like a welcome series for new subscribers, a nurture sequence, or even a sales pitch. Determine the timing between each email, like day 0, day 2, day 5, and make sure your emails are engaging and packed with value. To truly leverage Kit's capabilities, set up marketing automations by going to Automate and selecting Visual Automations, followed by New Automation. Decide on a trigger such as a subscriber signing up via a form or making a purchase. You can then set up actions like sending an email sequence, applying or removing tags, or using conditional splits for if-else logic. Once you're satisfied, publish your automation to activate it. Finally, use Kit's analytics tools to track the performance of your campaigns. You can monitor metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Review these insights regularly to understand what works, allowing you to optimize your future campaigns. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on using Kit for your marketing efforts. Happy marketing!